gentlemen, today we will be making Hyderabadi Dum Keema. So let's begin with our ingredients. So first we have half kg mince, and second hand we have 4 tablespoon mince leaf, and we have 3 green chilies and half lemon, 4 tablespoon yogurt, salt to taste, 1 teaspoon black pepper, brown onion half cup, zira 1 teaspoon, bhune hue chane half teaspoon, whole red chili according to taste as you like, and we have ginger garlic multiple spoon, black and green cardamom, this is black and that's green, 4 to 5 cloves, cinnamon stick, we have 1 cinnamon stick, and let's move on. First we will put our masala and dry roasted. First we will add our zira, bhune hue chane, as you can see, and now kali mirch, black pepper, and this red chili, whole red chili, and our green cardamom and other stuff. And now I put it and heat it. And now we will dry roast it nicely for 2 minutes. After roasting, we will grind it. Alright guys? After dry roasting, we grind the masala. And for the second step, we have the mince step. That's the main step, boys. We'll put the mince. Oh, this looks so satisfying. And now we will put our brown onion. Oh, there we go. And mint leaves. And now our green chili. We'll not add the lemon yet. And ginger garlic paste. Salt to taste, yogurt, and now we have our paste that we grinded, and I'll put that. Wow, I have to say that paste smells so good. And now we put our lemon, squeeze the lemon. Get the juice out, the nice leaf juice. Yeah. And now mix it well. And now marinate it for 1 hour. 1 hour, please. Meet you guys after 1 hour. So guys, it is 1 hour, and now we have our yummy, yummy, yummy. This smells so good, and we have our mince ready, and now we will put it in our pan. Half cup of oil in a non-stick pan for all the mince time. Guys, from the smell, I am starving. Cook it for 10 minutes because this is chicken mince, and it's gonna cook really quick. Really fast. So guys, we are cooking for 10 minutes now. I'll show you how does it look. The smell is amazing. The steam is perfect. It is cooked for 20 minutes, and I think it is ready. Let me give you a closer look. Yep, it's ready. And now we will smoke it. You must be wondering why did we put that hole? Because now we will put anything you want, and we will put our coal in there. Nice and easily. we got our coal ready. And now I'll put there. Ooh, that's hot. And I'll just put gently a bit oil, and there's the magic goes, and I will put the lid on and let it smoke. Okay guys, now it is ready. As you can see, the smell is so nice. I can't wait to try it, and now it is time for eating it. So guys, please like this video, subscribe, and hit that notification bell, and tell me how did you made it. If you made it, how did you like it? And now I will see you in the next video. For now, bye.